Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing how the world thinks, works, and innovates. Together, they represent the backbone of the next technological era, where machines not only process information but also learn, adapt, and evolve. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence is the broader science of creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decision making. It is the driving force behind digital assistants, robotics, and intelligent automation. Machine learning, a vital subset of artificial intelligence, empowers systems to learn from data without explicit programming. Instead of following fixed instructions, machine learning models analyze patterns, adapt through experience, and make predictions or decisions independently. From recognizing spam emails to recommending movies, machine learning is already integrated into everyday life. In business, it enables real-time analytics, customer insights, and predictive modeling that drive smarter decisions. In healthcare, artificial intelligence and machine learning detect diseases earlier, predict patient risks, and personalize treatment plans, redefining medical precision. In mobility, they guide autonomous vehicles and optimize traffic systems. Their combined potential lies in scalability, solving complex problems faster than human capability alone. As data multiplies and computing power accelerates, artificial intelligence and machine learning will continue to transform industries, reshaping how humanity lives, learns, and leads. Let's look into today's headlines. Zoom and NVIDIA working together to deploy hybrid AI for enterprise communication. Zoom Video Communications is working with NVIDIA to integrate a hybrid generative AI architecture into its AI companion designed to accelerate enterprise communication workflows. The integration combines Zoom's federated AI approach with NVIDIA's Nemotron open source models for task-specific, scalable AI performance. The new hybrid language model architecture intelligently switches between Zoom's proprietary small language models, optimized for low latency tasks, and large language models, which are fine-tuned for complex reasoning. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India and the Department of Telecommunications agreed to display original name of caller by default. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has agreed with the Department of Telecom to enable by default the display of the original name of the caller as per the identity used for connection to the called party. The telecom regulator, in its recommendation to the Department of Telecom on introduction of calling name presentation in telecommunications networks, issued in February 2024, had suggested to activate the service only upon the request of subscribers to whom call is made. Microsoft to retain 27% stake in OpenAI after restructuring. Microsoft will now hold a 27% stake in OpenAI following a new definitive agreement between the two companies. The deal marks a shift in their partnership and follows the restructuring of OpenAI into a for-profit company called OpenAI Group Public Benefit Corporation, that is PBC. Under the agreement, Microsoft's investment in the newly formed OpenAI Group PBC is valued at about $135 billion. Prior to the recapitalization and new funding rounds, Microsoft's stake in OpenAI's for-profit entity stood at 32.5%. NVIDIA-backed startup plans to build data centers in space. Starcloud, an NVIDIA-backed startup, plans to build AI data centers in outer space. It is also looking to send its first satellite with a GPU into space later this month. This will be the first time a data center class GPU will be operational from outer space. The biggest benefit to data centers is electricity to power GPUs, and satellites in a sun-synchronous orbit have access to constant, uninterrupted solar power, which Starcloud plans to harness with large deployable solar arrays. Adobe and Google Cloud partner to advance the future of creative AI. Adobe and Google Cloud have announced an expanded strategic partnership to deliver the next generation of AI-powered creative technologies. The partnership brings together Adobe's decades of creative expertise with Google's advanced AI models, including Gemini, Veo, and Imagen, to usher in a new era of creative expression. Through the partnership, Adobe customers, including business professionals, creators, creative professionals, and enterprises, will have access to Google's latest AI models integrated directly into Adobe apps. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Varindia magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.